with the GIS Professional to manage spatial data, but your language, terms, tools, and approaches are different than theirs? In less than 1 hour, this course will build up your understanding of spatial data in the database and provide considerations for you to take into account in managing spatial data. Hi, my name is Gil Scholl, and I've been managing databases, including spatial data, for over 10 years. As time has progressed, I have realized how important it is to bridge the gap between the GIS Professional and the DBA, even though I am a DBA. That has been my focus over the last 4 years to make the spatial data more valuable to the client. This course takes you through a set of overview lectures that will make you more in tune with spatial data management and the GIS Professional. I will provide you with some very basic background lectures of how the spatial data is collected to how to make use of it in your systems. 3 example video clips are provided to you to give you a flavor of the level of detail and presentation style. Enjoy those, and I'm looking forward for your capability to be more effective with spatial data management through these lectures. If you look at these 2 diagrams here, you begin to see the difference. The top one is the state of Minnesota, and it has 3 zones in the projected coordinate systems: a north, a central, and a south. And the reason there are 3 is to cover the different latitudes and to be as accurate as it can be for those 3 areas. There can be a night and day performance difference when the stats are not run for a while. Some database vendors have default automatic jobs that do statistics when there is a 10% change in row count for the table. I have observed large performance degradation that was very unacceptable way before 10% row increase. In my opinion, this most likely is not adequate for spatial data, and I would not depend on that method for spatial data tables. As a working example, consider an airport, which most larger ones are like a city. They might have a back-end database for storage and editing of spatial and attribute data, a front end of a web server that integrates with a GIS server, and an interconnected asset management system like SAP, potentially a parking lot system to manage revenue. This begins to make the whole system more valuable because of various ways to access the data.